This is another mail call video, and today's mail call is from MIGardner. I'm going to be talking about 3 different seeds I ordered from MIGardner. The first one is the Beit Alpha Cucumber. I did attempt to grow some cucumbers in my indoor garden, and my first attempt was a Space Master cucumber, and it went okay at the beginning, but it slowly started to not do very well. And I remember when I was growing them outdoors in containers, it took them a long time to be able to start to produce cucumbers. And the way that the plant looked, it wasn't too terrific. So anyways, I did get, I think about 12 cucumbers off of one plant. So my friend Jeff told me about these Beit Alpha cucumbers and said that they are self-pollinating, that I should give them a try in my indoor garden. So that's what I'm going to do. The other seeds that I had ordered is the Tiny Tim tomato, which is a patio type tomato. It's not going to grow very tall, and I'm just going to give these Tiny Tim tomatoes a try. I do love the flavor of them, and I will begin some seeds. I'm pretty sure it'll be probably either before New Year or after. And the third seeds that I ordered was the Henderson Lima Bean. And the last time I had the Henderson Lima Beans was when I was 14 years old. I went to go visit my great uncle, and my aunt had fixed some. She went right out in the front yard. She had this little garden, and she went and picked some, so I had some fresh lima beans from Henderson, North Carolina. So anyways, I'm going to be growing those indoors, and I'm really excited about these new seeds, and I'll be getting started with those, and I will be filming when I get started, and I'll film from beginning to the end when I'm harvesting. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, blessings y'all.